Hey, blockchain users. So in the past few days, we've seen that our rule that all tops can become new bottom is working very well. Last week, we saw it 2 times, and again yesterday. It's a simple rule. Of course, I get it. There was a little, a little price difference, but unless you're trading on leverage, which is not what we're doing on this channel, it's very good. And on the other side, we have resistance here that we've established. Again, this time it went a little bit higher, but still, it's acting as resistance once again. And that's what we do on this channel. We just use simple rules and it happens over and over again. Now, we got a very long move here, so I'm still expecting a little bit more of turning around before, we need to reaccumulate, get some energy. Now, this is not guaranteed. If we reclaim 69K and we see a daily close above it, now things are going to start probably getting crazy there because there's not a lot of resistance in that open ground. And then we have 72K as resistance, which if you remember my previous video where I talk about my rule of 4, well, if a price level is tested for the 4th time, well, a breakout is very likely. And this here was the 4th time. Now, that would be the 5th time, which means a breakout here is extremely likely. I only remember one time where it was the 6th time. So it's usually when it's the 5th time, a big breakout happens, and above there's just no resistance. It's all open ground. So when this happens, I'm expecting new all-time high and things to start getting crazy for Bitcoin. Now it's time to review Ethereum. The last time we took a look was in this zone here, and back then Ethereum was looking strong because it was in the top half of the 50%. Now sadly things have changed and we are in the bottom half, meaning we are in a weak position. Not just that, if we compare it to Bitcoin using the BTC chart, which is a chart that compares the strength of Bitcoin versus Ethereum, well, you can see that it's below the 50% as well, meaning that it's weak on both of these charts. Now, I'm still bullish long term on Ethereum. I'm expecting higher prices, but on the medium term, for probably the next couple of weeks, Bitcoin remains king, and it's likely where the gains are going to be until Ethereum becomes strong again. Some active members of my Discord have been talking to me about Zig, a coin that I did not know about recently, but taking a look today, you can see that it's made higher lows here and here, which is a very bullish signal. It means that the buyers are more aggressive. On top of that, it is above the short to medium term 50% level. If you draw a trend line anywhere, it is on top. All good signals, but my favorite one is that it is now in all-time high territory. There was the price level here at TGE. Now it is above, and there's just no resistance on top of it, which is what we're looking for. Now, as I was saying previously in the video, I think Bitcoin is looking more and more bullish, and it's a matter of time before we see a new all-time high. And when this happens, altcoins are going to have explosive move, and Zig is a coin that I'm looking to buy in right now. I'm not sure where or when I'll buy, but it's definitely on my watch list, and we will be following it probably on the channel in later videos. If you've enjoyed this video, do the thing with the YouTube buttons, especially that bell, and I will see you next time.